Hello, my Sagittarius Capricorn cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of October 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my zodiac signs, Talents, hang on for some more time. Shortly we'll upload a reading for you. This is for my cusp babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 31st. Shall we go? Angels and spirit guides, first 10 days please for my cusp babies. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm so sorry. We have the source, possibilities, lovers, and miser. Love is in the air, new beginnings are starting up. In fact, I think there is intimacy lying up for lot 20. It could be like you might get intimate and then you might say, okay, let's get into the relationship, okay, a committed one. There could be like a third party also, okay. Either you could become a third party or you have a choice, as I always say. Now, can you see this is 1 and 2? So something new is starting up, a new beginning, something exciting is starting for you in the first 10 days. Remember to broaden your horizon. Whenever you feel stuck, look up from a higher perspective. Lovers, all about choice. You will meet your soulmate, twin flame, karmic partner, whatever you call. You are meeting them, okay. So there's a strong potential. We will check with your love energies, but yes, there is a strong potential you have. Miser, don't be too rigid. I think it is all about your past. Maybe that's the reason you're not being flexible, and this is what universe is trying to say. Be a little flexible, rest, everything will come to you. Beautiful. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. That is 20 of this October month. Okay. So what are we experiencing? We have isolation, consciousness, friendliness, and mind. Okay. Now what is happening is, if you get into a third party, you will go through the heartbreak, because friendliness is all about love. So love will play a very important role. I think you are overstressed because of whatever you've been through. There's a reason universe is trying to say gain clarity. Ask. Again, we have two aces. So intensity will rise up. Having clarification will make you understand where do you have to go to. But yes, there is a strong bond that wants to come to you. The only thing is, because you've been through a past, a heartache, that's the reason you want to go slow. It's okay. Cry your heart out, voice your emotions. I think spending time with your friends also is on the cards. Maybe that will make you feel good, but let go of that unwanted baggage that you're holding on to, okay. And don't take rash decisions. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 31st. So much time in the last 10 days. Why? Can I just have one more? Thank you, angels and spirit guides. You ask for it, you receive it. We begin with sharing, intensity, comparison, and abundance. So if you have not met somebody, you are meeting somebody, okay, for sure. Okay, there is abundance, there is prospect coming to you, good news. Wherever you travel, you manifest, you get it. Okay, you're on the right path. Probably people will get threatened, don't worry. The only thing is you're comparing, which is natural. We are humans, aren't we? So whatever that push and pull effect is, don't get bothered about it. Just find out. Probably it's just in your thought processes. Maybe reality is something else. So don't get bothered. Now let's come to your angels. Overall, I kind of liked your month. You have a good month. Now let's see what are your angels trying to guide you for this month. So many. Let's take them. Beautiful. We have wedding, creative project, and change in direction. Do we have no? Oh, no. Okay. So your creative ideas is something that's taking you up. Okay. Success is embracing. Learn a new modality if you want, like singing, dancing, whatever DIY. You will meet new people. Maybe that is one of the ways where you might end up getting romantically inclined with someone, or money flow comes to you. Again, if you're frustrated and all, a creative side will help you. We have wedding, so darlings, it's all about wedding bells ringing in. So success, happiness is embracing. Whatever you've been waiting, finally it's coming towards you. You will be a part of somebody's wedding, or it could be the vice versa, but I feel it's more about you because we have lovers to friendliness in the wedding. So I think, and again, they are source, so I think this is calling for it. And we have change. I'm so sorry for that glare. One sec. Okay, so it says change in direction, so it is trying to tell you, apologies for that, change in direction is trying to say that it's going to be very quick. It's going to be like a 360 turn. If you want to study, go for it. A childbirth, again, it's like a birth of a new venture. So yeah, success seems to be coming up. Now let's come to your love life, okay, because everything is so beautiful, lovey-dovey. What are your love energies trying to tell you for this month? Why are the cards falling down so much? I will not take them because we need to get more clarity. Angels and spirit guides. We have both karmic relationship and Cupid's arrow. Okay, I'm so sorry, it's always getting focused and defocused. So what is it trying to say? Somebody from afar is coming towards you. You can expect some good news coming up your way. You guys are karmically connected, so maybe that's the reason you might feel the push and pull effect. If it is meant to let go, let go. And yes, love is in the air, so have faith in the universal energies and love yourself also. Do not hesitate. In case if you have feelings for that person, please open up. Avoid getting into options. Okay, you should be very clear by now. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. See, so many, always. But we'll take these two because that is what was coming up. So maybe that's what is required. And we have privileged lady and great fortune. So money flow is coming towards you, fortune awaits you, and if you have been my woman, if you are the lady telling, then yes, something beautiful is coming up in your life. Success is embracing. Be happy. I think this is your month. So how should I sum up this month? This is your month. I mean, beautiful. You have all the good things coming up. I think how, if I have to just put it up again, see, October is number 10, right? It's all about beginnings, and again your birthday month is coming nearby, right? So there are these transitional periods. Post the eclipses, I think the transformation, I'm not sure in the past reading what had come up, but I think in this month every reading is going beautiful. It's just trying to say love is in the air, heal your heart, be a little flexible. Your work wise, you are traveling and success is embracing. Your angels are asking you to work on your creative field. A new shift is coming, positive shifts, and wedding bells are ringing for you. At the Martyrs of Heart, you are karmically connected. Good news from overseas. You can expect love yourself. And what is there? Great fortune awaits you, and a lady will play a very important role and will be the guiding force for you as well. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.